Hey girl.
Hello everyone, my name is Gennady Glushko, and today I want to show you my game prototype, actually a test task which is made for German game dev company. Nothing hard here, and it will be not an overview like in previous video, but not full tutorial as tutorials. So here will be a short review of the game screen, and short review of my scripts. So here we have to canvas our grid. We can check tiles, slide back. We check if tiles are near, so we aren't able to check all tiles of same color in the grid. So we count our scores here. We can finish game when we're tired. We can restart our game, rebuild grid. So also we have a game mode with defined amount of available moves. So for example 5 moves, and it's more interesting than infinite mode, because here you need to think each way is better. So in the end we will count all scores, and you are able to try again. We have here empty object which contains our script. And let's talk about our game script. Not canvas scripts, but only game. So we have an enumerator with our tile types. We have tile script, which contains amount of tiles, current tile types, current column row, is it hit, predefined colors. In initialize tile method we pick random tile type and set our column and row. Get tile type, hit tile, set it as hit, and set gray color. Remove hit. About everything. So nothing important more. So here we have our grid script. We have our field size, predefined amount of moves, tile scale, our tile prefab, our collections with tiles, menu. When we start the game, we initialize our grid. So we go through all our columns and rows and create tile. When we create tile, we instantiate an prefab object, set the name to it, and pick our random tile and move this tile to needed position, and add this tile to all tiles collection. So in our update method, if finish menu is not on top, we handle our input. So if left mouse button down, we said that we drag. If mouse button up, we handle down selecting. So if you drag, we calculate position, calculate which tile, which sprite is hit now, and if it's not the same tile that before. So if we stay on one tile, nothing happens. If it's another tile, so we check if we have tiles in our collection, yes, and if no, we add it, nothing more. If we have, we check the distance between selected tile and the current tile which we want to select. So if it's more than one tile width, one tile diameter, so we return. We are not able to check this. If all is okay and it's same type as selected tiles before, we select it. If we slide back, we remove selection on tiles which we are left. So when we're done selecting, we check if we selected 3 or more. So if not, nothing happens, we remove hit. If 3 or more, we calculate our score. If moves if available moves are equals to 0, we finish our game. And then if game is not finished, and nothing more, we drop our tiles, which is above of remove tiles. We destroy remove tiles and remove it from all tiles. So when we drop all tiles, we check if it's highest row, so we only create new. So I'm talking about this situation. So this tile. So we create new here. So, and if we have tiles above, we drop them and create new on top. So, and this method is separate because we have 2 times this code, and so we move tile, we calculate position if it's, for example, here. So here we have even rows and even columns and odd columns, and because it's hex tiles, we should move our tiles a bit. So here we calculate our row, so if it's even or odd, and then we'll calculate position and move tile and set row and set column, because if we will not do that, next time when we will check our tiles needed to drop, we will be a bit confused and everything will go to hell. So that's all that I wanted to show you. Thank you for your attention. If you have some questions, please ask me in the comments. I will definitely answer you. If you have some ideas to implement, please tell them to me. I will try to help you, or I will try to make interesting videos. So thank you for your attention. Like it if you like it, dislike if you dislike. Leave the comments and subscribe if you're interested in new videos. Thank you for your attention.